Choosing the right portable building is an exciting decision. It's not just about adding a structure to your property. It's about creating a space that works for your life, your goals, and the way you use your land every day. Whether you're looking for extra storage, a workspace, a retreat, or something entirely custom, the right building starts with thoughtful planning. Before diving into styles, sizes, and features, it's important to take a step back and think about how you want your building to function. Understanding your needs up front will make the entire process smoother and ensure you end up with a building that truly fits. So start by asking yourself one simple question. What will this building be used for? For some, the answer is straightforward. Storage for lawn equipment, tools, seasonal decor, or outdoor gear. For others, it might be a workshop, home office, hobby space, studio, or even a backyard getaway. Knowing the primary purpose of your building helps narrow down size, layout, door placement, and optional features early on. Once you've defined the purpose, the next consideration is size. Bigger isn't always better, and smaller isn't always enough. Think realistically about what you plan to store or do inside the building, not just today, but in the future. It's often helpful to map out items or activities on paper, allowing extra room for growth or flexibility over time. Our lofts are a great add-on for this because it adds space without needing a larger size building. Keep in mind that your available space also plays a role. Measure the area where the building will be placed and factor in required setbacks, access paths, and surrounding landscaping. Choosing a building that complements your property, not overwhelms it, creates a cleaner, more intentional look. Next, think about layout and accessibility. How you enter and move through the building matters just as much as what goes inside of it. Door size and placement are especially important if you'll be moving large equipment, vehicles, or bulky items. Double doors, roll-up doors, or additional side entries can make daily use far more convenient. Windows are another key consideration. If your building will be used as a workspace or studio, natural light can make a huge difference. Strategically placed windows improve visibility, comfort, and overall enjoyment of the space. Even for storage buildings, windows can add visual appeal and interior brightness. After layout comes style and appearance. Your portable building should feel like a natural extension of your property. Roof pitch, siding material, trim color, and exterior finishes all contribute to the final look. Whether you prefer something traditional, modern, rustic, or bold, choosing a style that complements your home and surroundings helps the building feel intentional, not temporary. Durability is just as important as appearance. A quality building is designed to stand up to weather, time, and daily use. Pay attention to the construction details like framing, flooring, roofing, and treated components. These elements may not be immediately visible, but they play a major role in the longevity and performance of your building. Another important factor is customization. One of the biggest advantages of portable buildings is the ability to tailor them to your exact needs. From shelving and lofts to workbenches, electrical packages, insulation, and interior finishes, customization allows your building to work harder for you. If you're planning to spend some time inside the building, consider comfort features like insulation, ventilation, and electrical access. These additions can transform a simple structure into a functional year-round space that supports productivity and creativity. And with our newest interior finish add-on, Smart Space, your building will be completely encapsulated and insulated, making it much easier to heat and cool. It's also important to think about future use. Even if your needs are simple today, choosing a building that can adapt over time adds long-term value. A storage shed today might become a workshop tomorrow, or a hobby space could eventually turn into a home office. Planning with flexibility in mind ensures your building continues to serve you as your needs evolve. Once you've chosen the right building style and features, it's time to think about placement and preparation. Where your building sits impacts everything from accessibility to appearance to long-term performance. Choose a location that's level, accessible, and appropriate for the size of the structure. Before installation, be sure to check local zoning requirements, permits, homeowner association rules, and property covenants. Understanding these regulations ahead of time helps avoid delays, additional cost, or the need to relocate the building later. Equally important is selecting the right foundation. A solid foundation protects your investment, reduces settling, and ensures your building stays level over time. Options like concrete pads, compacted gravel bases, or concrete blocks offer different benefits depending upon your budget, terrain, and intended use. Your local dealer can help you determine which foundation option works best for your building and property. Taking the time to prepare the site properly ensures a smooth delivery and long-lasting results. Delivery day itself is an exciting milestone. Knowing what to expect helps everything go smoothly. Professional delivery teams use specialized equipment to place buildings accurately while minimizing impact to your lawn and property. Clear access paths, open gates, and advanced communication all contribute to a successful installation. Being present during delivery allows you to guide placement, answer questions, and ensure the building is positioned exactly where you want it. Most installations are completed efficiently, allowing you to start using your new space almost immediately. Throughout the entire process, one of your most valuable resources is your local dealer. From answering questions to guiding design choices to explaining timelines and delivery details, your dealer is there to support you every step of the way. Their experience helps turn a potentially overwhelming decision into a confident one. We have an entire video on what to expect and how to prep your property for delivery we'll have at the end of this video. Choosing the right building isn't about rushing. It's about making informed decisions that align with your lifestyle, property, and long-term plans. When you take the time to think through your needs, explore your options, and prepare properly, the result is a building that feels purposeful, reliable, and truly yours. At the end of the day, a portable building is more than just extra space. It's a place to organize, create, work, store, and grow. It's a solution designed to make life easier. And when chosen thoughtfully, it becomes a lasting part of your property and your routine. When you're ready to take the next step, your Stor-Mor dealer is here to help you choose a building that fits your needs today and continues to serve you well into the future.